Alright, we're at the top of the mountain here. Gotta lock my car. Okay. Come on. Let's get moving. Come on. Got people traveling on this road like maniacs. Yeah, look over there and you see those trees over yonder. They just left there. I guess the blue line means cut down. Red means stay. Or it's border. So they cut down a border tree. Yep. Oof. It sprinkled. That's all it did was sprinkle. You guys still have some in... Well, we didn't go for a very long walk. So, CB Channel 12. Okay. I don't know. Thought I heard somebody talking. Yeah, somebody's over at my truck. Somebody's over at my truck. That's what's going on. Thought I just seen somebody pull behind. I think they tried the door, see if they could get in. There's been a lot of break-ins into people's cars. Okay, well. What is something call? Someone's calling me? That was weird. That somebody pulled in there. Oh, that's the voice I heard. Because they pulled in there, quietly pulled in there, and then realized my truck's locked. Wow, that takes balls to pull in there and try to get into somebody's truck or car. And that thump, if you heard that thump and that sound like they tried my car door, like, and that was the handle. That was the handle. They couldn't get the handle. Can't believe that. Trying to rob me. Trying to steal stuff, Rocky. You know, there could be a possibility. You know, I probably would have forgotten, and they would have been in the money. Had a 2017 truck. Plus about, I got all my tickets for Knoebels in there. That there's a retirement in itself. I'm just saying that over the years I collected tons and tons of tickets. Alright, you two can there we go. Alright, you two can walk by yourselves. I'm gonna lug this thing around. I hate lugging this around. But as you can see, they left some pine trees standing. I think blue means border. Purple, I don't know what purple means. But look at there's those thunderstorm clouds. Supposed to be heading this way. Rocky, you wanted to come out here. See, this is the path that normally, just picture it. On both sides, trees, and there was like a canopy over. So when you were walking through here and it was raining, and all there was is this road. But now, look, it's all open. All open. This used to go for like miles. This road here I'm on. We walked it and walked it the one time for 2 or 3 hours. Oh, Miss Precious, I don't like hearing that. All right, we'll walk up here. Let's say a stopping point. And then we'll go back. I'm kind of hoping that those clouds get over that or unnatural sun. I'm just wondering that Bill Gates may have done it, and they're really hiding our sun. They're hiding our sun, and then they put a fake sun in the sky. I'm just wondering if they have achieved that, because this sun. But then again, I seen where the smog collectors that they spent, the power company spent millions of dollars putting on top of their smokestacks to collect the smog and carbon. They took those down and put these turbine things in that burn water, and it turns it into moisture and puts it into the air. So what are they trying to do? Just wondering what they're trying to do. Oh, there's that field that we used to go to. Right there, you can tell the field because there was no trees in it. We would walk clear up here and then take a little road into the field. I think we got clouds coming here, kids. You guys wanted to come out here. You guys wanted to do some more walking. So, we're doing some more walking. Yep, there goes there it goes behind those clouds. Just have to wonder what they're keeping secret from us. Yep, this is where it would be. You come up here to this, and we used to walk this. I think in some of the other videos I took in the past, you probably could see us walking through here with trees on both sides, coming up here and then take that into that field there. Looks like it's a butterfly preserve now, because I see nothing but butterflies out there on those flowers out there. Well, you get up here. Let's get up here, Precious. This is all the further we'll go. Yep, there's number 8. So, as you can see, when you get down there, both sides, that's what it looked like, and it was nice and shady. Wonder how much more they're going to clear out here. All right, let's walk back. Where's Rocky? What is he doing? Maybe pooping or chasing something. I do like this dual thing. I think I can, there's a way to make it half and half on the screen. But I think that would be too big. Look at him too. Oh, they're such good dogs. They're my kids. Oh. Somebody sent me a message. Someone called me. Rocky, what are you doing? Get out of there. You're going to get ticks on you. Oh, there must be something in there. You're chasing it. Come on. Come on, you lughead. Yep, just unnatural. That sun. What secrets do they have hidden? I think for 2 hours straight, I was watching TikTok, and there was so many videos on so many different things, and I think that tell you it was a lie. So that's what I think they're doing. They put the truth out there first and foremost, and then because let's talk about the Stargate show, TV show, and they actually had the Secretary of Defense, I think the Secretary of Defense, and then they had on call or on site when they were filming a Air Force officer to get, like, maybe tell the truth a little, but maybe fudge it a little too. So I know for a fact I was at the birthplace of Moses, and they were trying to dig up what you call a Stargate, a Chopper Eye. We were there, and they were digging, and we were at the ziggurat. It was all in our little fenced-in area where our little air base was. Yep. So I do know that they are looking for things to aid in their quest to go to other planets. which I think the series of where you get Stargate Universe and then you got Atlantis, and I happen to think that all of it's related, and they do have spaceships that can defy gravity. They probably have them as big as. Where are you going, boy? What's up? What's up? You out of your mind? Huh? We need to get home now? Huh? You getting delirious on me? You and Sissy gotta acclimatize. We gotta get acclimatized if we're going to go ever camping. Yep, so what TV shows you guys watch? I don't watch Kardashians. I don't watch any of those Lifetime shows on people. I don't watch sports. Basically, it's series. Let's see, what was the last series I watched? Last night I was watching in the background. I play series in the background and catch bits and pieces. So then when I rewatch it, I catch something new. So I had Netflix on, and it wasn't really entertaining. So that tells you a lot. If I had it played in the background and then it didn't pick up my attention, where are you going? She's taking her time back there. She's moseying. Can't believe that. People try to rob me. I'm sorry. I'm skipping to over here because we're coming to the road. We're coming to the road and because I gotta clip these two so they don't get run over. As you can see how busy it is. There's just 2 vehicles that just went by. I'll take these guys home. They can get their drink. They can lay down in the AC. And I'm going to head to the grocery store. Boy, look at her way back there. Look at her way back there. She's taking her time. She's a trooper. Look at her. Look at her coming. I got like little backpacks for them so they could carry their own water and food. But I haven't put it on them yet. Alright, well. Come here, Rob. Let's get you hooked up. Oh, come on. There we go. We got you hooked up. Hi, Missy. My little girl. Okay. Here we go. Now, let's see if we can make it across the road without getting run over. Bronco Jeep. Well, let me guess. Yeah, for someone to come up there and check the vehicle to see if it's open to grab stuff. We have a large population of meth heads. Like my neighbors across from me, across the road, that live out my front where my front porch is. They are meth heads, drug dealers, crack, because they lost their teeth. They do crack. But they're all golden. How they got the property is because through Section 8. Section 8 said you got to have so much in a bank account. Go to these classes. They went to the classes. And then, lo and behold, they got the house next door, across the street. I showed up at 3 in the morning. There's no water. Showed up at 3 in the morning, and was cutting wood. Showed up 3 in the morning. They were out there with no clothes on because they were all high on meth. And so, anytime there's loud music and horn beeping, and you hear a car out there running for like more than 30 seconds or a minute, the drug trade's going down. Oh, look at that. That's a boogie. That's a boogie. A dried boogie. A dried boogie. Maybe my neighbor on the side of me, they got the bad news about the landlord saying that he's going to sell the place within 90 days or something like that. Through one of those, we'll buy anything. Okay, you guys get in. I'll get your stuff off then. Go ahead, get on in. All right. Watch out for your tail, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl. Now we'll throw your stuff up in here. All right. We'll get the AC going. You see her crawl over her brother? All right. Well, we're back in the truck, and I think it's going to be time to go here and call it a day. Yep. So did about 4 videos, 5 videos. I wish there was a way to. There. I had a Velociter. They had the perfect thing. You put your cell phone in and put it up. And somehow I didn't grab that, and I didn't grab my pair of glasses. Anyway, these are just some from the store, and I just bought them just in case, and well, they came in handy, and I don't know, I'm getting so used to them, but I try to keep them off, and so I could read signs and stuff, but it's the fine stuff like on the cell phone and books that I need to read for. Alright. It's that time. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.